Yo, what's good, y'all? Pretty much just gonna be going over, how you can become an elite shooter in this video. The steps I took, low effort, high volume shots, pretty much just going over the science behind, becoming a really, really good shooter. This one thing literally turned me into, in an empty gym, like an 80% shooter. Like, I did this for a couple years, pretty much 2 years straight. I did this like every single day, and it turned me into, in an empty gym, I could surely make 80 plus, 85% of my shots in an empty gym. And then when I really started doing this, for like the first couple months or so, I was making over 70% of my shots in an open gym. So first things first, obviously, swish shots. Swish shots. This is something I emphasize all the time. You have to be able to shoot swish shots. You have to shoot swish shots all the damn time, all the time, all the time. Okay, all the time. Basically, the idea behind swish shots, right, is you want to get a ton of reps with your shooting form. Because how do you get better at shooting? You get better at shooting through shooting. Guys like Steph Curry, Klay Thompson, all great shooters, they get better at shooting through, a high volume of reps over a course of some years, right? Okay, let's say you're in high school already, you're in middle school, or you're in JUCO, college, or whatever. You want to become a better shooter. You don't have that time, to take the time to maybe shoot 100, 200 times a day, a couple times a week, over a course of some years. You don't have that time, to develop that kind of shooting prowess. So to supplement that and to kind of just cut through, kind of like a little cheat code, you're gonna shoot a bunch of swish shots. So it's the same thing. You're training your form, you're shooting, but you're just right in front of the basket. And swish shots, they're basically form shots, but I like to call them swish shots because I only count the swishes. Because you're literally right in front of the basket, you have to add some level of difficulty so the reps are actually, you need difficult reps to become a good shooter as well. So I like to make it where if you're shooting your form shot, you got to be a perfect shot. A swish shot is a perfect shot, essentially. So you got to be a perfect shot right in front of the hoop. Right in front of the hoop. So we're gonna be here. And then how to do a swish shot. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a form shot. You're just gonna make it. You're only gonna count swishes. So right here, gonna be right in front of the basket. You could be, you can alternate, you can change. What I really did, honestly, just because I have really good touch. I didn't really shoot too much on the corners on the outside. Very much. I can just focus right in the middle for most of my swish shots. But you can move all around. If you're shooting a couple hundred of these a day, you can go, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, or you can go 100, 100, 100, whatever floats your boat, realistically. But swish shot, we're gonna be here, just like that. And we're gonna focus on our form every single rep because we're right in front of the basket. So we have to make sure everything is perfect, absolutely perfect. Every single rep. See how much arc I'm getting on my shot. They're form shots, but they take a lot of focus. Like, these aren't super intuitive. You know what I mean? So you want to make sure every shot is a perfect shot. And if you do this, if you get 500 swish shots a day, you make these every single day, you can become a really, really, really good shooter. Getting a bunch of these up. That hit rim, that didn't count. Shoot that up. And see, look at how much arc I'm getting on these. Notice that. It'll take time to build that, but yeah, perfect shot. Try and replicate a jump shot. Look at how I'm following through on every shot. All feel. Eventually, not anytime soon if you're just starting these, but they're gonna start to feel really easy and you can just knock these out in 5, 6, 7 minutes. Like I'm saying, you can make 100 swish shots in 6 minutes, When it gets easy like that, you can advance the difficulty. So we're here, and we're pretty much just gonna shoot this shit into the moon. Shoot this thing into the moon. No cursing. Shoot into the moon. I missed that one, but it takes a lot. And it's going off camera now, but you get the idea. Just making sure if you get really good at this, increase the difficulty, shoot it into the air. Get a huge, huge arc. I missed these. These are harder, but it's good. Try and get a big arc. Look at that. Big arc, swish. I'm literally shooting this above the backboard. A big, big arc. Just like that. It's gotta be a swish though. Just like that, swish. You know, that's if you get really good at the regular swish shots. I wouldn't say progress into that until you get really, really good at them. You know, until it gets super, super easy. And from there, you know, as things kind of get stale, you know, obviously when you do the same workout all the time, you're gonna get bored. You know, you're not gonna try as hard. That happens. So sometimes I would add kind of some variety to it. I'll do one hand swishes, you know, where I got it one hand and I'm here. You can do off the catch swishes. We're just right here focusing on footwork and shot. Don't jump here, but really just a form shot. But use your momentum. You don't need to jump, but use your momentum to kind of flow into the shot. You can do those. Flow right into them. You know, go left, right. You can throw it to yourself. Throw it to yourself. Swish shot. Things like that. Kind of just add some variety, add some difficulty to the swish shot. But, you know, things like this that are high volume, um, low intensity, you know, you can get that through there. So it's just get a bunch of reps up. Just shooting from the basket. And you can become a really good shooter doing this. Super, super good shooter. Super good shooter. I did it. So really. And what I did for these, honestly, when I was trying to become a really, really good shooter, I was shooting, you know, I was making about 500 swish shots a day. That would be my warm-up. Like, I would warm up with 500 swish shots before I did any type of workout. That wasn't even my shooting workout. I'll do a shooting workout on top of that. So, you know, if you want to get to like an elite level status of a shooter, you got to shoot a ton, especially if you're late. The older you get, the more you got to shoot. You know what I mean? The more farther along in your journey, like the older you are, like closer to college age or in college, you got to shoot a bunch. Because, you know, that muscle memory is not built in from like childhood, you know what I mean? So if you're a kid, I would just say, you know, high school, middle school, just shoot, you know, 100 to 300 of these a day, like 5 days a week. Don't miss days. Just get those swish shots up, you know what I mean? As I said, just starting close, you're just gonna have your form, gonna shoot, swish it. It's just gonna be swish. Focus on your form. Every shot should be perfect. Every shot should be perfect. Swish. From there, if it gets difficult, we're gonna want to increase our arc. Shoot it super high over the backboard. Over the backboard, into the hoop, boom, just like that. And then from there, you can add variety to it if it gets boring. You could do, you know, off the catch form shots as I shown before. You know, we're going left, right. You know, we're going right, left. You could toss it to yourself. You know what I mean? You could do one-handers. You know what I mean? One more I didn't show, you know, you can do your form shot and kind of add a little Pete Maravich just to make it a little more difficult. You know what I mean? You're shooting, catch it. This is what I did. Use the other hand, shoot it, swish. Add some variety to it, you know what I mean? It doesn't have to be the same boring, just standing there trying to swish it every single time. Add some variety, make it fun, you know, challenge your mind a little bit. But all in all, the most important thing, make sure you're just getting a bunch of swish shots in, you know, high volume, low intensity, you know, hundreds of these a day, and they'll make you a really, really, really good shooter.